Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a huge Disney Primark haul, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through a huge Disney Primark haul. You guys know that I'm a huge fan of Disney. I love Primark and together I love doing these hauls because it's like my two favourite things combined. I've done lots of other Primark hauls, you can check them out after this video to see more stock, but I thought I'd get some new stuff in, talk you guys through it. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that I know that you like the content and I'll keep making more videos like this. If you're not new, then welcome back. And let's get started on this huge Disney Primark haul. Absolutely love this. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It is one of my favourite Disney characters as well. It is of course Marie. Look at her there. I love this pillow. Disney have so many homeware bits in at the moment, like bedwear. They've got loads of pillows, blankets, and I absolutely love it. This will go perfectly with my Marie blanket, which I picked up in a recent Disney Primark haul as well. And I absolutely loved her when I saw her. I love that she has the little like furry tuft of hair here on the top. The little bow is 3D as well, and I think that the print is so cute. And wait till you see the back. It gets even better. Pink and white candy floss stripe on the back. I love pink and white. As you can see, my bedding, you know, it'll match in perfectly. My little Marie teddy back here. And this was only €8. So another bargain. All the pennies cushions seem to be like €8. I picked up a Pusheen one in my Pusheen haul, a Harry Potter one. I picked up the Hedwig one in my Harry Potter haul, and they're about €8 as well. So I absolutely love it. And for under a tenner, you can add this to your room. Look how good she looks back there. Oh my god, amazing. I'm so excited that I got her. I probably should have picked up a few more and then I could have had them scattered around. But anyway, that's the first item in my haul. Absolutely love Marie. She's one of my favourite Disney characters. And moving on to the next item, I thought this was so sweet for summer. And it's a little crop top. It's got Mickey and Minnie Mouse on there. So it's really great. And of course you've got the watermelons, you've got the cherries. Watermelon is a bang on trend. And so I absolutely love this little crop top. It's got like a tie detail down there on the end of the crop top as well, which is really sweet. So you can pull it a bit tighter or you can loosen it up with it, whichever you prefer. And then actually in the little watermelon, as the seeds, are little mini Mickey Mouse kind of silhouettes. So that's really sweet as well. It's tying into all the Disney theme. You see the cherries there are actually the Mickey Mouse shape as well. So I absolutely love that. I thought this was really cute, and it was only €6. So this will go perfectly with a pair of black jeans or even like a denim skirt or something like that for summer. Even a pair of white jeans would be really nice with this to get extra summery feel. I thought it was really cute and I cannot wait to rock that this summer. So the next item in my haul, moving back to the Marie theme, and I think there is loads more stationery coming in like this. I actually only seen a couple of bits, but I seen online that there was like notepads and stationery sets, so I cannot wait to get back to Primark to do maybe another Disney haul and pick up some more of this Marie stationery stuff. But I saw the pencil case and this was actually only $3.50 for the pencil case. So you've got the all over Marie print, absolutely love it. You've got a few big bows in there as well. And then you've got a little mini Marie at the side as a little keyring. How sweet is that as well? You know, if you pick this up in Disneyland in Paris or California, this will probably cost you around like 8, 9, maybe even €10 for something like this. So I love the way Primark are doing really affordable Disney items. So for $3.50 you've got loads of space in there to store all your little pencils, and I absolutely love it. And another thing that I picked up in the stationery section, and I've been wanting this for a while but it's been sold out, and I'm so glad that I finally got my hands on it. It is of course a little Minnie Mouse pen. You've got the pom-pom on there, you've got the little glitzy Minnie Mouse red bow, the statement bow, and then you've got a print of Minnie Mouse all over the pen as well in this grey, red and black. I absolutely love it. This was only €2 and this will go perfectly with my Pusheen pom-pom pen as well that I picked up. Love the way it's so soft and fluffy. I cannot wait. I am obsessed with stationery and I'll definitely be doing a stationery haul soon because I absolutely love it, and I have to stop myself from buying all the stationery every time I go into Primark. But anyway, moving on to the next item in my haul, and I thought this was so sweet. I picked this up in the sleepwear section. You can see there that it has, of course, Thumper is the main character on this. You've got T for Thumper there. He's sleeping on top of the T, and then the T is kind of outlined in this gold kind of embossed glitter as well, which is really cute. You've got butterflies then all over it as well that are gold embossed, and then you've got a little mini Thumper down the end there as well. How sweet is he? And this is in kind of like a nude and white night dress shirt, so I really like it. Also on the back of this, it has a little frill detail up here that you can see. It actually has a sticker on the front that says look on my back. So this is a feature that they're trying to promote, I suppose, because it's really cute and it's just a little bit of extra detail, and I love that about the Disney stuff. And even in here on the lining on the inside of the collar, it says Thumper Thumper Thumper, so you know that it's property of Thumper, just like in the Harry Potter ones they say property of Hogwarts, witchcraft and wizardry. So I love that, the detail that Primark go to. It's really sweet. Maybe if it's not for you, it's something that you can pick up for your mom or your auntie or whoever, a girl in your family that you want to treat, maybe your friend. It's a really cute item. Oh, actually, I never told you how much it is. How much is this? €13, so not too much. Love that. And moving on to another item in my haul, and actually I'll save it, my fave bit for last, but I wanted to show you this. It is a Minnie and Mickey Mouse backpack. I absolutely love it. Can you see all the colour detail in there? You've got the blue and white, or sorry, the blue and pink I should say, the black and white all over. I love the black zips. They really kind of make the rest of it pop. I love the sketch you have that you've got Minnie and Mickey doing all different things, like a shocked Minnie here. Then you've got them like saying hey. They're so cute, and this print runs all over the bag. This bag was €14, so only €1 more than the night dress. So if you think you'd get more use out of the bag, it's definitely worth it. And there's actually loads and loads of room inside this one, so that if you're planning a trip to Disneyland, this is a perfect backpack to bring with you and store all your bits as you're going around the parks. There's loads of room in there, and it's going to be great because it's Minnie themed and Mickey Mouse themed, and it's just so cute. And of course there's loads of room in here as well. Actually, you can pop a camera in there as you're walking around for easy access, and taking all your snaps of your trip, or even if you just wanted to upgrade your school bag for €14, sorry. It's a really inexpensive way of upgrading your school bag. I love it, and I'm so glad I picked this up. And moving on to the last item in my haul, and can you guess what kind of Disney theme this one is? I'll give you a clue. It is of course Marie themed. I can't get away from the Marie themed stuff, and I love the way Primark keep bringing out more and more Marie stuff. And this says my 4 moods, and she's pretty much like peeved or you know, turning her nose up in every single one of the moves. So I love that, like prancing away there. And then this one she's like the one down the bottom she's like looking back like, said what? And then in the last one she's like, don't make me angry. Absolutely love this little beauty bag. You could of course store all your makeup in here, your jewellery, whatever you like, your arts and crafts stuff, you name it. It could be a really big pencil case if you've got a lot of stationery like me and you love collecting it. And this was €6, so really good price for that. Absolutely love it. And that is the last item in my Disney Primark haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog today. If you have, then please do let me know by hitting that subscribe button. I'd really like it, so then I know I can keep making more videos like this for you guys. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up as well, comment below, and I'll see you again real soon guys. Happy Disney shopping, bye bye.